Hello there. Welcome to my weekly summary for week 3 and 2 together for ECE 103. So, starting right off, I would like to discuss week 2 first. So, for week 2, I basically just catch up on all the neat resources and discussion. Kind of took my time on these, not gonna lie. But I still managed to, do research and give out webs on each of these topics. And I think the topic that stand out the most to me was 3D display. Why 3D display? Well, because back 3D display is still a really cool thing that I have experienced in my past life. I think my first time experiencing seeing a 3D movies was The Terminator. I forgot which one was it, but I'm telling you, it was crazy seeing those robots just stepping out the screen, man. Like, I was just a kid in Vietnam, just have no idea what it is. So just kind of opened my eye to technology and all that. So I kind of looked up and found out like there's a 3D technology used in a mini golf course, which is really fun. I'm guessing. I still have yet to go it. It is in AZ though, so maybe in the future I would have a chance to play a 3D golf with someone. But yeah, it's still great promising, it's still a lot, what happens when we reach 5D, you know what I'm talking about? Stuff is coming alive and touching you, that would be creepy. But yeah, on the discussion computer model, honestly, I never heard of anything called computer model, and it is really cool to learn about it. So it is a tool that gives you the formula and calculation of natural disaster or like any point of event, which is really cool because we kind of have like our own ball of truth, just like telling us like, yo, something's coming up, we should do this and this to these, to avoid it, and that's like really cool. So, but like knowing is still like in early development of it, and like we just like 20 years off of the 2000, where like back then there wasn't any groundbreaking technology. So like thinking about it, like 10 years from now, computer model could like significantly improve a lot, and maybe we can just avoid any disaster if we have the machine to fix it. But that's pretty cool to learn about computer models. And for my content 3D design, where I'm supposed to get a team and choose one of the 4 design possibility and go for it, and we also have to make a logo pro. So I just want to show my groupmate work. He did a pretty good job on it. So let me just find it right here. Yeah, by Tyler Peterson. I just want to show it because like it looks super cool. Yeah, so this is what they that look like take a lot of objects stacking on top of each other to make like a star or a starfish, but it's really cool by Tyler Peterson. I also make my own as well. I kind of make a leaf, it kind of took some time for me to make this actually. So I just grabbed like a bunch of cylinder, just like start like stacking, and then like cut, like group them off, cut off some part, just kind of sloppy right here, but kind of realistic. Leaf don't look perfect, so kind of look like a chili pepper if you would say so. But I try to make a leaf. It is pretty cool. It took me like at least like an hour, 30 minutes or something to try to get these done together. It was pretty fun. I did something back in ECE 102, so just doing that again was kind of like hard because it been a year break for me, so I kind of forgot. But I could see 3D designing become really influential in the future. Maybe I can make myself a car with these. Pretty cool. yeah, that's my leaf right there. So in this week, oops, sorry about that. So in this week I learned that computer model is a thing, and that it is gonna be really influential in the future, because I feel like AI and computer model basically gonna be the same thing, because like both of these are gonna be you know, they're gonna have intelligence above our own. So, and it's gonna be like part of part of our life, you know, and it could really well affect us and how we live, you know. And I also learned that like 3D design is gonna be really important for engineering. I don't know about software engineering, but maybe if I somehow land a job on designing a Xbox 726, Xbox 5, PS7, maybe I could use this to design like a model, you know. That would be pretty cool, you know. Yeah, and that's it for. Oh yeah, I forgot to show my Logo Pro. Sorry. So here's the Logo Pro I did for the one of the leaf. So you know, I kind of did this. You know, it was pretty easy. You have a video showing us too. I was pretty experienced in Logo Pro back in like 102. You know, I remember when I was in the group, I was the main Logo Pro guy, so I would do a lot of measurement. So yeah, this is how it go. I don't think I will use Logo Pro a lot, because we have an app in the phone called measurement and stuff like that. So that it will be like a really quick way of measuring stuff. So maybe I don't see these in the future, you know. Like we don't know yet, you know. Maybe Apple just upgrade measurement, where like Logo Pro just go out of business. It is still a pretty cool tool to use. Like, of course, measurement, like in the app, you can't really graph stuff like these, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, that's it for week 2, and on to week 3. So you know, of course, I use the usual Neat Resources screencasting and bumper music. You know, Neat Resources screencasting, man. Just always been using it in my coding classes, you know, where we do like forum and like post like assignment of like helping other people with coding. I always use screencast, and it would never let me down. Kind of give me some couple of subscribers, you know, actually, you know, kind of people supporting me on my content, helping them. So I'm really happy that with screencast, it's really easy to use, and I think I'm always gonna stick with it. Yeah, for bumper music, I've never done this, but you know, I heard screencasts from some of these classmates talking about that like screencast does offer a bumper music inside, so maybe you will hear the music playing throughout the entire recording. Yeah, so it is pretty cool. Maybe yeah. And then talking, I did discussion with talking and testing. I think I remember we did this back in 102 for sure. But yeah, I just think like talking and testing and learning is just common now, because I feel like teacher like should like maybe slow down a bit, you know, not like going too fast, you know. Like they should know that like student not in the mindset with them, so like anything they say wouldn't be like wouldn't get you like the student head. So like, you know, just take some time, you know, just slow down and like fully go in depth with it, which is a way to get students to involve in. And off day, I don't remember doing this, but it is really interesting that like CO2 it's gonna be reduced in the next decade. I kind of believe that, because what I see was that about 17% of CO2 was reduced during the quarantine, actually, which is really cool, really interesting. So maybe if we keep this up, you know, just like not a lot of vehicle and like stuff operating, maybe CO2 will go down 50% in the future. We don't know. We don't know. COVID is still gonna be around, but people are gonna be, people. So we're not sure if COVID ever gonna go away. And yeah, for the content, for the competency, yeah, I did that. I'm not sure. I think I might have misread. But for the first quiz question, so this is the first quiz question. We are loading for a saying that if I have evidence of the competency. So I would say I do have them. So demonstrate project management and teamwork, and they get our own team. We have a Discord server. I couldn't sell it because it's on my PC, but we have our own Discord server, and like sometimes we just help out each other and stuff. And for number 2, apply appropriate problem solving technique to engineering problem. So Logger Pro, of course, measurement using tool. And number 4, present the result of design project. I feel like I'm doing this right now, so I'm kind of like giving you a oral presentation of what I have been doing the past few weeks. And yeah, I just have no problem doing that. And for number 5, develop an algorithm for computer code. So it's not technical. So in this code, it's not really this class. It is my older class, but I might have to pull it up. Let me see if I can pull it up for you right here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I just been writing algorithm code in Java. Just division. Oh, I might have deleted my multiplication. Yeah, but I did division, coding, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Sometimes coding, I just don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I need to be doing. So yeah, it's coding right there. So for using computer aided, of course with Tinkercad and stuff, I can design stuff. It's taking me some time. I'm not too much of an expert on it, but I got my result. Yeah, and that's it for what I've been doing for these past 2 weeks. Just catching up with stuff like that. Oh, sorry. And what I learned from Model 3 was that there's a lot of competency in engineering that I still need to do. I feel like I could better in all of these if our class was in person and stuff like that. So what happened now? Okay, yeah, but bumper music is definitely going to be used for me in the future, because I feel like I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of presentation video and stuff, like just add some music. Maybe I want to do a YouTube career, just kind of start somewhere. I can start adding music in the background, just making me look like a professional YouTuber. Yeah, it's that. Yeah, and that's what I've been doing for these past 2-3 weeks. For week 2 at least, it's been catching up and just doing stuff. Alright, and thank you for listening, and have a good day.